How would your lecturer and tutor check whether you understand a particular lesson? There are a few ways your lecturer and tutor can use to check your understanding. First, your lecturer can assign you some tasks to be done after a lesson and ask you to upload using Google Classroom assignment function. The task given to you by the lecturer allows the lecturer to check your understanding on a particular subject matter, especially on practical knowledge that you need to hands-on using a particular software. Your lecturer can grade an assignment using Google Classroom assignment and set a due date for your task. Once it is created, it is automatically assigned to all the students in the Google Classroom. Once the student has completed his task, he needs to go into the assignment created by the lecturer, upload his file, and click Turn In button. The lecturer can even assign score for each task. Once the student has turned in, the lecturer can mark using Google Classroom assignment function. The lecturer can assign score to each of the tasks and can comment on the task that the students has done. Once the lecturer has done marking, he can click Return to allow the students to see the score and the comments. The interesting part is the students can even reply the comment of the lecturer in Google Classroom assignment. The lecturer can see the reply via email notification. Other than Google Classroom assignment, the lecturer can also utilize Google Classroom quizzes to test students on their understanding. The way to create quizzes is the same as the way to create Google Classroom assignment. Once the lecturer clicks on quizzes, the lecturer can set questions, and once it is posted, all the students will be notified automatically. Usually, lecturers will set multiple choice questions to serve as a recap to the students on a particular lesson. The quizzes will be linked to a Google form. The lecturer can assign marks for each of the questions and can even add answer key and comment on the incorrect and correct answers. So once the students submit the answer, they can immediately check for the answer and look at the comments by the lecturer. If a lecturer uses a separate Google form, they can still notify the students on the quizzes by posting the link on Google Classroom Stream. Or to make it more interesting for our students, they can even share the QR code of the link and ask the students to scan the QR code to get into the quizzes. The feedback received from our existing students is that the multiple choice questions serve as a very good recap for them after a lesson. Even if the answer of multiple choice question is not directly from the textbook, our students can search more on Google, and by this way they can learn more knowledge. The quizzes can also serve as a tutorial practice. In order to encourage more students to do the tutorial practice, the lecturer can upload their answer as answer key. So once the students upload their own practice and click submit, then only they can access to the lecturer's answer. So by using all these tools, not only the lecturer can check the effectiveness of their delivery, but the students can also verify their understanding and clarify any misunderstanding immediately. Provided that if you use the tools given by your lecturer wisely, you'll be able to benefit from online learning.